We can see Hulk in movies that mostly are fictitious. But you will be shocked to know that there are some people, referred to as real-life Hulks because of their uncommon appearance. Although they are not green as shown in movies, but in weight, height, and strength, they look extremely similar to the Hulks. These people are not like any other bodybuilder or powerlifter. They have taken it to a whole new level and are known worldwide because of their impressive physique. So get ready to witness the top 5 real-life Hulks in the world. Number 5. Denis Cyplenkov. Don't mess with Denis Cyplenkov, he could crush you with one hand. His biceps measure 25 inches and are unofficially the biggest in Russia. 35-year-old Denis Cyplenkov is 6'1" tall, and tips the scales at 308 pounds. Born in Ukraine, Denis is a bodybuilding, arm wrestling and strongman champion. Denis started going to the gym in his childhood and realized he had amazing strength early on and so began competing in arm wrestling competitions. In 2010 and 2011, he won the Nemirov World Cup, which is considered to be one of the largest international arm wrestling tournaments. He can lay claim to having the biggest and most densely muscled hands in the world, and this, along with his incredible strength, earned him the nickname Hulk. Number 4. The Great Khali. Dalip Singh Rana, also known by his stage name The Great Khali, is a force to be reckoned with. Belonging from a small town in India, the 7-foot-tall Hulk has made a name for himself in the WWE world. He is the first Indian wrestler to enter the WWE ring in 2006, and looking at his built and rough physical exterior, he is one intimidating guy. Before entering the wrestling arena and smashing people's heads with his bare hands, the giant was involved in a bodybuilding career. The wrestler suffers from gigantism, a condition under which the pituitary gland produces more growth hormone, leading to unstoppable growth. Because of Khali's unique physical prowess, an Indian bodybuilder recognized his talents and thus he used the opportunity to take part in domestic and regional level competitions. With a swap in career choices, he joined WWE, and with that he became a popular face in the wrestling sport, defeating the likes of WWE superstars like The Undertaker, John Cena, Kane and Shawn Michaels in his roster. The giant from the East has proven time and again that he's not to be messed with. We will take him for his word and kindly oblige him by staying away, especially during his angry moments. Now this Hulk surely means business and we can't refuse the offer he has to make. Otherwise, it's hospital bills and a whole lot of therapy in store for us. Number 3. Strongman Brian Shaw. The American professional strongman Brian Shaw proudly sits in this list of real-life Hulks you don't want to mess with. The winner of 2011, 2013, 2015 and 2016 World's Strongest Man competitions, the man is a sight to behold. Standing proud at 6'8", Brian Shaw isn't green, but he sure is mean when you look at his size and the amount of weights he lifts as if they were jelly. He is known for being the first to win the World's Strongest Man and the Arnold Strongman Classic competition in the same year, in 2011 and 2015. Holding many strength records under his belt like the 820-pound squat and the 880-pound deadlift, his strength is as much unrivaled as his diet that is required to maintain it. During his trips to the grocery store, he shells out about $622 and the food lasts him approximately 5 days a week. This also includes 14 kilograms of meat for himself, and that doesn't even occupy a lot of space on his shopping list. His 12,000-calorie diet consists of cereal, eggs, peanut butter, ground beef, breadsticks and pasta, to name a few, and Brian indulges in 7 meals a day to fulfill his diet goals. The day in the life of a strongman is never easy, and you see that in a number of video series of the athlete, showing off his intense training that goes into him preparing for the competitions and being at peak perfection to take on anyone who crosses his path. Number 2. Romario dos Santos. Romário dos Santos is a Brazilian bodybuilder who wanted to bulk up, starting at the age of 15. Due to lack of seeing any results, Romário started depending on injections filled with mineral oil to achieve the exaggerated bulked-up features of the character Hulk. He pumped mineral oil in his body to such an extent that he ended up getting 20-inch arms, and along with being addicted to the oil for 9 months straight. Romário aspired to be big and wanted people to give him respect, which is why he started injecting himself it. As he started seeing results, which he wanted, he became more addicted to it. With high volumes of the oil going in his body, with time Romário started seeing abnormal changes in his body. He started feeling sick and got breathing problems as his energy levels dropped. In his abnormal transformation endeavors, his wife Maricela Marinho got worried for her husband's health and gave him an ultimatum that she would leave him if he didn't stop. On the news of his wife's pregnancy, Romário decided to turn a new leaf and go drug-free, as he considered his wife and child more important than being the real-life Hulk. Like any addiction, he had to undergo depression for some months as he had been way too dependent on the injections. Eventually things worked out for him, and Romário recalled that if he hadn't stopped this dangerous obsession, he would have ended by getting killed in the process. Number 1. Dwayne Johnson. You all might be wondering why the Brahma Bull has taken a spot on this list. When you look at Dwayne Johnson and his irresistible charismatic demeanor, you simply just can't ignore the guy. His bulging biceps and toned physique is a sight to behold, and he's no less than the Hulk. We all know Johnson, also known as The Rock, his stage name during his career in WWE as a pro wrestler in the 1990s and 2000s. We have seen the man do his signature moves, and his wrestling entrance theme has been ingrained in our minds. We have been exposed to many of his Hollywood ventures and reality shows. His infectious personality has tagged him along a long way since his wrestling days, and like the Green Giant, he is unstoppable. Did you know his family was in the wrestling world before Johnson stepped in the ring? He carried forward the lineage by taking part in wrestling, and the rest, like everyone knows, became history. Also, his iconic tattoos speak of his Samoan heritage, and yes, in order to keep himself fit, The Rock takes part in mind-boggling meal plans and workouts, which only make sense because they apply to him. There was a point in time when he considered being part of the FBI, but his professor told him that he would need a law degree, resulting in Johnson to call the whole thing off. We sure can picture Johnson's wrapped up in a suit and being undercover. He has achieved so much in his career, and his size is symbolic in regards to being Dwayne Johnson, that it is hard to fathom this Hulk to not make the list. With successful films like the Fast and the Furious series, Jumanji, Central Intelligence, to name a few,